If you're involved in the world of crypto or NFTs, you already know that these industries are growing fast. And if you want to succeed in this space, you need to be able to get your project in front of as many people as possible. That's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages. So why is SEO crucial for the success of your crypto business? Firstly, SEO helps you reach your target audience. By optimizing your website and content for specific keywords, you can attract people who are searching for information about crypto or NFTs. Secondly, SEO helps you build credibility. When your website and content appear at the top of search engine results pages, it shows that you're a trusted and authoritative source of information. Finally, SEO is cost-effective. While other forms of advertising and marketing can be expensive, SEO is relatively inexpensive and can have a big impact on your visibility. So if you're not already focusing on SEO for your crypto or NFT project, it's time to start. If you don't know how to get started, reach out to us. Proleo-io is the ideal marketing and PR agency to help you grow. Get in touch and let us take your project to the next level. Proleo-io.